Show me number one. Okay, here's number one. Go.
Yeah.
Okay, now show me number two. All right, number two. Okay, now number three. Now this little tube here I made myself. Okay, now number four, all the way around here. Secret number five.
Number 5.
Okay, secret number 5. You're just gonna catch it. Okay, now let's turn the machine on and watch it go all by itself, okay? Alright, flip the switch. Right there. You like that, Oliver?
I like that.
You're very shy on camera. Why is that? There we go. We got it fixed.
Is Mommy's awake?
Yep, Mommy's awake now. Oh no! An explosion! That was awesome! Alright, say goodbye to everybody. And reminds me of the Gravitron.